Good afternoon, everyone. We're going to recap the morning trade on NFLX that happened on February 27th. And we're happy to bring you the results that MMTs were able to make a very good wholesale transaction using the option market. And what did they do? Here's what they did right here. StockMarketFunding.com, $1,250 profit NFLX. Long option by Stock Market Funding. 37% live option trade, Nels $1,250 or 37% on the NFLX 190 weekly put option. Our entry at $675 was $10 off of the low of $665, and our exit was $925, was the high of the day at the time on that opening bell in this trade. Here is the recap of the trade. Our price was $675 and our exit was $925. The quantity is a lower volume entry with new people, and it was quantity of 5. The percentage gain was 37.04%. Option type was a put. Strike was the 190. Expiration weekly 3/1/13. And basically what I can show you here is that the 15-minute opening bell is when all of this occurred, right here. So I will blow up this part of the chart. And this trade had to be done very quickly. When you get into the 27th, when we came down and made these lows, that's when the value of the put option had made its low, when we were reversing from the high. And then the range is a selling and buying cheaper on that opening bell. So basically, when you buy a put, it has to go down and make these lows down here for those values to go up, where you exit at 925. And the minute that it got down there, that was the peak value of it. When we spiked to the highs and was way up here on this first reversal, that's when the put option was at 675 wholesale. Here is the put option over here in the video. Yes, the high was 10 and we sold at 925. The first low in the morning was 675 and we exited at 925. They brought it all the way back down to 555, which was below our entry. It was later in the day when NFLX kept breaking higher off of the bottom. These put values went all the way back down in value, and you have to know when to sell them. That's exactly what we did. Now, one of the things that I would like to tell you about that is we are masters in market making in the pit here, and we know the values based on the movements here. The low was 180.56 and the high was 185.80. But when he went from 184 down to 180.56, that's when that put price here in this cap sheet peaked in its value of 925 on the exit. If you did not exit there, you would have actually went negative on the trade. And it's very important for you to understand that as a market maker, this doesn't happen. But in the day trading models, and people that don't know what options are, they have totally changed, the weeklies and the monthlies. Everything about the option market over the last 20 years has totally changed in the last 2 years. Let me tell you, we're experts in high frequency trading technologies and turbo option technology. And here it is once again. When we were peaking there, the value was at the lows of the entry. So when he was up at the original opening bell high, that took that value, and we were the low of the day. And then it went up to 925. When we went down to 180.56, it stopped there, and that's how that exit of 925 occurred. If you did not sell there, you would not be paid as a market maker. You will let the market maker do the work for you, and you will be grateful for those entries and those exits that you get here. Not only that, you will be grateful for our market maker SMF stock exchange, the SMF options exchange. You will be grateful for that. You will be grateful for people to give you the market maker to give you that limit order. We trade equities in that pit. Here's what you get. You'll be in the live trading room. You'll be getting the buying power right here. Okay. People that have small accounts will get 6-to-1 intraday at $2,500 accounts. You'll get 15,000 intraday. You'll get on 10,000, you get 150,000 intraday, and on $5,000 accounts, you'll get 50,000 intraday to do what? To get the market maker entry and exits that make you the profit in your first 30-day enrollment program. And you can get the 1-day free trial. Yes, and you can get these profits that I had just showed in the video. I'm going to conclude that 190 put and those big gains that were made on that opening bell with NFLX. Once again, join the market makers who know what they're doing. And whether it's a call or a put, it doesn't matter. That was a nice percentage gain on that opening bell. Get with us on the opening bell.